In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a LEMP web server on DigitalOcean. We'll start by heading to DigitalOcean.com. Once you're in your account, look for the Create button at the top and open it. From the menu that appears, choose Droplets. A droplet is simply a virtual server, and this is where we'll configure everything for our LEMP stack. First, pick a region. Choose a location that's geographically closest to your users for lower latency. Right after that, select a data center within that region. If multiple data centers are available, any is fine. Pick one that's marked as recommended or closest to you for best routing. Next, choose an image. Instead of a plain operating system, we'll use a pre-configured app. Click Marketplace to browse ready-made images. In the search bar, type LEMP, which stands for Linux Nginx MySQL and PHP. Click the LEMP option to select it. This saves you time by installing the core components you need for hosting PHP applications out of the gate. Now it's time to size the droplet. Choose a plan that fits your expected traffic and workload. For a small site or staging environment, the entry-level options usually work great. If you anticipate heavier CPU use, consider a slightly larger plan. Right below, choose your CPU options. You can stick with a balanced CPU if you're hosting standard web apps, or opt for CPU-optimized plans if you're running compute-heavy tasks. Keep an eye on the estimated cost shown and match it to your project's needs and budget. For access, choose your authentication method. Select SSH key for stronger security and a smoother login experience. If your public SSH key already appears in the list, select it. If not, click Add SSH key. Paste your public key's content into the field provided. This is the long string that usually starts with SSH RSA or SSH ED 25519. Give the key a clear name so you can recognize it later, then click Add SSH key to attach it to this droplet. Using an SSH key protects your server from password-based attacks and makes logging in faster. When everything looks good, region, data center, LEMP image size, CPU options, and SSH key, go ahead and click Create Droplet. DigitalOcean will provision the server, which typically takes under a minute. Once it's ready, you'll see its public IP address in your dashboard. From there, you can point your domain to this IP, harden your firewall, and begin deploying your application using the LEMP stack that's already installed. That's it. You've set up a LEMP web server on DigitalOcean using a marketplace image, chosen the right size and CPU options for your workload, and secured access with SSH keys.